Are jeans on your sewing bucket list? In this video, we're going to cover all about the new Legato jeans. Many people are overwhelmed with the thought of making their own jeans. They don't have a great pattern, they don't have someone holding their hand every step of the way, and maybe they don't even have the fabric or the notions. Love Notions has paved the way for you. We're going to give you all three of those options. We have a great pattern, we have now a digital course you can take, just like the Aria button down, and also we've partnered with Califabrics, who is offering pattern kits that have all the supplies you need. The Legato jeans is a classic style that you'll be able to wear for decades. The Legato jeans is a mid-rise, easy-fitting, straight leg jean. It is fitted in the waist and hips, and then it kind of goes straight down to the ankles. We are offering 3 different rise options and inseam options. We have petite, standard, and tall. We're trying to hit everybody. It also has a zipper front fly that will walk you through, so no need to be scared or overwhelmed with the thought of sewing a zipper. We've got you. It also has details like rivets and a metal button and top stitching, and we go through it all with you. As well as with the different rises and inseams, I've also included a curvy waistband yoke option, as well as a straight yoke and waistband option, just to cover as many different figures as we possibly could. We also have a full butt adjustment as well as a flat butt adjustment. Now, speaking of adjustments, we have included the fitting workbook. Just like we have on our other pants patterns, we've also tailored this workbook to work with the Legato jeans. It covers 12 different pattern adjustments that are really common in this pair of pants. The Legato jeans requires a denim fabric that has 1 to 3% of elastic or spandex. You might even see it called elastane. This just gives, it's a higher quality denim because it will not bag out by the end of the day. It'll stay true to the form and keep you snug but comfortable. Now let's talk about the Legato jeans digital course. With this course, you're going to be able to watch it on your time when you're ready, and it will always be available to you. By the time you finish this course, you should be able to confidently sew up a pair of jeans that fit you perfectly. The Legato course is digital, so it's available in your account whenever you're ready to sew. It will walk you through every single step of the way with videos that you can really get a top-down view of what we're doing, and you don't have any questions. You should be able to see everything that you've ever questioned about sewing jeans in these videos. The Legato course is $25 regularly, but for the first week of the release, the course will be $25, but you'll get the pattern included for free. The course is available for purchase in the Love Notions shop. Once you've purchased it, you'll be able to start right away. Just go to your account and you'll see your courses that you're enrolled in, and you'll click on the Legato course and it will show you all the different modules. And as you finish each module, the course will keep track of where you are. So if you need to stop at a certain step, it will save your work. And when you come back again, you can pick right back up where you left off. Lastly, we are so excited to be working with Califabrics. They have put together amazing kits that contain everything you need to make these Legato jeans. And the best part is, they're just starting at $35. In those kits, it includes 2 to 2.5 yards of denim fabric available in 4 different washes. You get a brass zipper, you get the rivets you need, you get the button, the metal button, top stitching thread by Gutermann, and the pocket lining material that you need, and a jeans needle. There's everything you could possibly need for this pattern is included in those Califabric kits, starting at just $35. Now let's talk about the denim. This is a high quality denim for a high-end brand like 7 for All Mankind. This is a really great denim fabric that has the right amount of stretch and just feels so great to work with. Califabrics is a US-based fabric company, but I do believe they ship worldwide. As you can hopefully see, we have really thought out this pattern and all of the obstacles you might have, and we are providing you with a great pattern, a great course, and the opportunity to purchase a kit that has everything you need. Thank you for shopping at Love Notions. It's really my pleasure to provide to you patterns that you can sew up confidently and make you feel great.